evening and welcome back to the channels. I hope the trading analysis and the trading levels which are being discussed by me are all very well understood to you. For any other queries, you can also write down me in the comment section. Okay, so let us see how the market and the index and the currency pairs those we discussed have respected the technical levels, and what are the confirmations and what are the trade that we got today to make a decent amount of profit as the levels discussed yesterday in the analysis and levels video. So what happened today? Our day started here. Okay, so we were looking for the support at the level of 12.55. What happened? 12.55 was a support level, but the market couldn't hold there, right? Okay, so let's first talk about the selling targets below 12030. Okay, 12030 was a swing level here, and we discussed that if it is breaching that, looking at the last swing of the last working days. So looking at the last swing, it broke that level, and we got a good shorting opportunity, because that was the a mandatory level, a crucial level, which was the confirmation for a good sell off in the index to be noticed by us. All right, so when it broke 1230, the first target was 11990. We achieved that. Okay, first target was achieved, and the second target was the target of 11945. We achieved that. The two targets we achieved, then it got oversold in the smaller time frames. All right, and we have got a bounce from those levels. Okay, so these are two levels that we got confirmation, and we achieved these two targets, be it trading or making fresh position whatsoever as per your comfort level. All right, अब इसके बाद देखते हैं जो हमारा लॉन्ग की पोजीशंस थी. ओके, नाउ लेट अस सी द लॉन्ग साइड पोजीशंस. ओके, सपोर्ट वाज 12055. We were trying to sustain over there, but we have to go long above the level of 12180. Okay, now what to our observation, 18180, it is somewhere here. Okay, so the first target was 12207. 12207 was achieved by us, and the second target was 12229, which was the first swing. So on both the sides, be it the long side or the short side, we got confirmation levels, and we breached over them. We also broken below them, and we got two targets, the TP1 and TP2, for both selling trades and the buying trades were achieved. So it was a good day for NAS100. Second, Dow Jones. Now in the Dow Jones also we had similar analysis, and let us see what we got in the performance. Okay, well, let us start with the buying side. Okay, our support level was 31268, which is here. All right, we couldn't touch it for the whole day, but yes, when the last thing was broken, we achieved the shorting targets. Okay, we had to enter below the level of 31276. 31276 was the support level. We breached it. We achieved our first target of 31216, the second target of 31178, and the third target of 3113. All the targets were achieved. All right, we were just left out from the close achieving to the target for the TP4. But as yes, I already told you that there is a historical, this white line, it has to take a bounce from this, so it has just recovered from it, and now already it is trying to recover more. Maybe we see in a short time it tests the level of 31671, then we should also see the buying targets from them when this thing is breaking from here, the level of 31550. All right, so although we got some buying targets also, we got 31530. Okay, 31530 from this pullback from this here swing level, 31530. The second target 31555 also we achieved. So we achieved almost all the four targets on this shorting side and two targets in the long side. All right, so day for the Dow Jones also was very good. Now let us see the third. Okay, so Euro USD. Euro USD, let us see, start from this support level. All right, the support level is 0.99165. 0.99165 is here. All right, for the whole day it wasn't going to touch that level, but yes, above in the buying targets we had to see for the level of 0.99441 to be breached, and once we breached that level, okay, our targets for going long were all achieved. See, the first target was 0.99625. It got achieved. 0.99625. Okay, it is there, it got achieved. Second target was 0.99678, got achieved. Third target 0.99792 achieved. Okay, fourth target 0.99821. All the four targets on the long side got achieved from TP1 to TP4. Okay, now on the selling side. On the selling side, let us see below 0.99107 we have to go shorting. The first target was 0.97731. 0.97731, way too down from here, but yes, it is taken a bounce from here. So we had a confirmation for this volume and retest over here, and then we made a short again from here, although the levels were not discussed. But yes, this is a swing so formed we'll be using as a benchmark for further selling in the Euro USD pair. Okay, so in the analysis of Euro USD, all the four targets and two targets in the selling side, and one target in the selling side almost achieved. Four targets, all the four targets on the long side we have achieved. So in all our till date we have achieved almost 85 to 90% of our targets. Okay, now let us see USDJPY. Many people must be criticizing me for how given so long levels, and although it is at a short time high. My friend, my buddy, this is only the thing what we call analysis, is how we find out the levels, how we do the studies of the markets. Okay, so our support level was at the level of 140.435, and we have to go buying up the level of 140.659. Okay, 140.659, which is okay. So the first target was 140.685 achieved. The second target was 140.6799 achieved. Third target 141.471 somewhere here achieved, and the last target 142.054 achieved, and we are already running at 142.651. It is already very overbought now. Okay, so selling targets below the level of 139.681, 139.681. We couldn't find any position. 139.681, so no selling opportunities as such found, because this thing acted as a good thing, and also there was this candle, full black candle, so we had to see it whether it's just this here or goes long. If you had entered here and with the analysis then see how much is the rally. Let me just tell you, see, freaking 1.75% rally in USDJPY. All right, let us move to the next one. Okay, the next one is USDCHF, the last year, and here something very good happened. Okay, I tell you to watch for this level, could act as a resistance, strong resistance, because the level which is broken again and again becomes weak. All right, so we have to see for the level of 0.97983, which is this level. Okay, and for the selling was below the level of 97841, which is here, which is this swing. Okay, we broke that. We achieved the first target of 97771 and got achieved. The second target was 97657, got achieved, and from there only the sharp recovery has started. See how so beautifully the recovery has started, and clear cut to cut the levels are touched by my analysis. That is why I ask you, you can also do it. Just do enroll for the course and see how your life changes. Okay, it is pure study, nothing like gamble. Just prove it to you. Well, I know there are many families who say it is gamble. If it is gamble, then show them my video. Then how I'm doing analysis, and how I'm capable of finding all these values. So that too so accurately. Okay, now let us see the targets for the buying side. Okay, we discussed about the level above the 0.98350 benchmark. 0.98350. Okay, it is somewhere 98350. It is here. Okay, this level. Okay, and the first target was 0.98416. We achieved that. Second target was 0.98459. We achieved that, and the third target was 0.98507. We achieved that, and the last target was 0.98591. We achieved that. This is an answer to every person who tells you that it is all gambling. If it is gambling, then how I'm able to find these values and targets? So with the technical analysis, this is the pure education. Just prove to them, show them this video, and also to tell them that you want to learn how to find these levels out and how to trade for securing your financial stable career. Okay, so these were the levels we discussed for the NAS100, US30, USDJPY, USDCHF, and so on. Okay, so these are currently 5-6 pairs, including 2 indices and 4 currency pairs that I'm discussing right now. From the next week on, it will be total 19, including the cryptocurrencies, currency pairs, and the indices. Okay, and commodities. Total 19 pairs I'll be including in the analysis and performance video. So that's all for today. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, keep trading, keep your profits intact. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram. And yes, don't forget the stop loss because it is very important. The stop loss is the very important key in the forex trading, especially in the forex trading because the markets are very volatile. Okay, I'll see you in the next video.